Hey MediaHead, so today I want to do an unboxing of the new DSC IQ Remote PowerG keypad. Now what's special about this security system is the PowerG radio frequency that it communicates with its wireless devices on. Supposedly, it can go over a mile in some circumstances on wireless devices, such as their lock, or wireless window contacts or door contacts. So let's take a look, shall we? This is the panel. It is a touchscreen panel. I do not have power right now, so this is sort of the brain behind the whole madness. Now for the actual 8-zone takeover kit. So this can make this brand new alarm system work with your old wired system. So you're not limited to wireless contacts, which I don't know about you guys, I like wired wherever I can get it. It's more reliable, definitely a little bit more of a consistent functionality. So this is where we wire in all of our zones. We have 8 total zones on this system that we also have the actual power supply to power the panels. This is the actual transmitting unit for the PowerG radio frequency wireless receiver. So ultimately with the PowerG by DSC, this should be the most reliable wireless system available to consumers. Come back for our Mythbusters whenever we test the actual capabilities of it and see if it actually goes a mile. We're gonna set this up in the shop and then go across the airport behind us and see if it works. See you soon.